Hello Diego. So for this video lesson, we're going to go over the intro of Vices Like Vipers from O Sleeper. So drop C again. To start off, we're going to put pointer or middle finger, 12th fret on the low C, and also 12 right here on the high C right there. And it's going to be open on the G string. So this first measure, we're going to go 12, open, and then back down to 12 on the low C. So low C, open on the G, low C, 12. That's that first one. And the next three, it's the high C12, open G, low C12, and then back up to open. So that part, So that's how that part sounds. And then we're going to slide over, see the 8 and 8 now. We had the 12, 12, so both of the fingers go down to the 8 and 8. Move the... So 8, open, 8, then high C8, all the way down. So that boom, boom, boom. One more time with that measure. These first two measures, and then slide down, and then this is where it gets kind of cool right here. We're gonna go open G, low 8, open G, and then move your low C finger, either your middle finger or pointer. I find the middle finger is easier to get all on the 12s and the 8s. We're gonna move from the 8 to the 7. One more time with the open 8 to open 7. And then we're going to keep the finger on the 7th fret, because then we're going to go way up here, high C, 807. One more time with right here. That's the open 8, open 7. 807, and then we're just gonna go 0707 instead of the 8 right here, and it's pretty much the exact same thing with just the open G at the end. So open 7, and then 807, and then back up G to a 0. So one more time with that measure. And then that just repeats, so that open starts off the sequence again. And that whole thing, I'll do it slowly. 12th fret. 8 now. And then open 8, open 7. That's what that'll sound like slowly. Just work your way up with that one, because that's kind of difficult. And then here's another option to play this. It's like a harmonized version of it. We're going to go open, 0, open. Right here on the G, C, and we're using the F string right here for 7, 3, 3, 3. And it's the same thing here, 7, 3, 3, 3. And then 7, 3. And then we end with a 5, 3, 5. Right there on the A, F, and C string. All right, so this part, slowly. And that's just repeating with the 7 again, and that just repeats right here. And then you cut it in half, as you can see, the 7 and 3. Cut it in half for those two measures, and that's when you end with that 5, 3, 5. And then right after that, so you know, in the intro, we get to these power chords and drop C. Let me change distortion. So right here, after that 5, 3, 5, then open. And then to 8, and then to 7 with the, you can either do just 7, like this, or you can add the 8, so you can kind of hear a little bit of that in the recording. So then this whole thing right here will sound like this, so open. That's how that one is. That 8 comes in at a weird time. You can see there's like an extra open and then into 8 and then into the 7 with the 8 on the high C string. That repeats, and then we go into the crazy sweeps. Now I'm going to take this really slowly because this is really, there's a lot going on here, okay? So we're going to go on the G string, 5, 8. I go pointer, pinky. And then we're going to go ring, ring. Hello? 7th fret, 7th fret. And then middle finger, 6th fret. Pointer, pinky for a big stretch at 5, 10. One more time with that one. 5, 8. 7, 7, 6, 5, 10, 5. That one's really difficult to get. So 5, 8, 7, 7, 6, 5, 10, 5, and then back up. One more time slowly. So there's that part. You repeat that twice, and then you move on to the most difficult one right here. This one hurts my hand. So we're gonna go drop back from 5, 8 now to 4, 7. Okay, so 4, 7 on the G string. And since we're in drop C, the G is right here, where the A is, so 4, 7. And then 7 on the high C string. See that? That's what makes that really difficult right there. 4, 7, 7. And then we drop ring finger, 6th fret. And then 5th fret, middle finger right here. So up to here, 4, 7, 7, 6, 5. All right, and then after that, we're gonna go 3rd fret. All right, for the high E in standard. Slide that to the 5th fret. Pinky all the way at the 9th fret. Pull off to the 5th fret and slide back to the 3rd fret. And then you just climb back up 5, 6, 7, 7. So that, these two actually. I'll play this one slowly. So 4, 7. Yeah, that one is really difficult. And then we get to do the same exact stuff an octave up. So 17 to 20. Oh. Okay. So 17, 20, and then 19, 19, 18. And now on the high E, 17, 22, 17. So that one's the easiest one, because then we get back to the octave up of this one, the most difficult one. And then we do one of these, like a full one. You can either slide from 15 to 17, tap, or you can slide and use your pinky for 21, or tap 21. We do a full one of that, but then on the next one, we just go down, and then we go 15, 17, 18, 17, 15, back up 17, 18, and then finish on 19. So with this one, I'll do that one slowly. 16, 1919, 1817. Ooh. So after that one, then we do it again, but remember it's 15, 17, 18, 17, 15, so forward, back. So that's all that, what I just did. So the 15, 17, 18, 17, 15. B string 17, 18, 19. And you just do what we did here. That's 16, 19. Just combine that. So just start with that one really slowly, because that one, ooh, this one right here, and this whole last part, that is difficult. All right. So just remember, get this pattern. This one's, once you get it a few times, yeah, you'll get it. Or you can do this one that's way easier. And just remember the fun open power chords and drop C. And then that's where it starts with that sweep pick. And then the most difficult one right here. So just practice those really slowly, and we'll go over that in class next week, all right? So have a great week, and see you next week.